Tuples are super useful when you want to return multiple values from a function. Let's look at an example. Here we have an array of numbers, and we have a function called keystats, and it accepts a parameter called data that is an integer array. And this function, we're saying it should return 2 values. And the way to do that is we can just, the first value should be called average, and it's an integer. And the second value that this function returns is the sum, and that is also an integer. And now, inside the function, we can compute what the sum is, and we can also compute what the average is. So the sum is just for every number in the data array, add the number to the sum, and in the end we can compute the average by saying the average is equal to the sum divided by the number of items in the data. And then we can return both the average and the sum. And once we have a function like that, we can call the function. We're calling it inside the print statement, and we say print the key stats for the numbers array. And then we can see what values it will print. And it can immediately tell us that the average of the 3 numbers in the array is 11, and the sum of all 3 numbers is 33. The keystats function has one parameter that's an array of integers, and it returns this beautiful tuple that is very easy to then handle and use.